Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable theme customization in Shopify step by step clearly. To enable theme customization in Shopify, first, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, locate and click on Online Store. This will expand a submenu. Click on Themes in the expanded menu. You will now see your current theme displayed. To access theme customization, click on the Customize button. This takes you to the theme editor. Once the editor opens, you'll notice a preview of your store on the right side. On the left side, you will see various sections and settings for your theme. You can customize elements like the header, footer, and homepage content. To edit any section, click on it in the left panel. Make your desired changes using the options provided. For text, images, and colors, simply select the desired element and modify it. You can adjust the layout by dragging and dropping sections as needed. If you want to add a new section, click on the Add Section button. Explore the available options to find the section that suits your needs. Once you are satisfied with your customizations, click the Save button at the top right. Preview your changes on the right side to ensure they appear as you intended. If everything looks good, your theme customization is now complete. Close the editor by clicking on the X at the top of the screen. You have successfully enabled and customized your theme in Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.